Here I've got Huawei MediaPad T5 and let me show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and pick Wireless and Networks, and go to Tethering and Portable Hotspot. Then click on Portable Wi-Fi Hotspot, and simply by tapping over here, you can activate your Portable Hotspot. And that's it, since now it's active. Here you've got the sign, the notification, and you can share network with other devices. If you would like to change your network name and also the password, click on Configure Wi-Fi Hotspot. And now simply by tapping on the network name, you can change it, so just the current one, and enter a new one. So let me enter HardReset. And click on OK. And then tap on Save. Now we've got new network name, and also let's change the password. If you click on the eye icon, you will be able to see the current one, then you can delete it and also enter a new one. And then click on Save. So from now on, you've got new network name and also new password. You can share your internet with other devices. And then if you'd like to switch your Wi-Fi hotspot off, simply tap on the switcher and it's no longer active. So then if you would like to have a quick access to your Wi-Fi hotspot, simply slide down the upper bar and here you'll notice hotspot icon. Click on it, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Now it's active. If you would like to switch it off, just do the same. So just click on the icon. And that's basically all. This is how you can activate Portable Hotspot and share network via your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.